Hey, it's Jason with West End Heating and Air again, out here on a service call on the weekends. So this is an overtime call. They were complaining that the system was intermittently not working. So anyway, came out here and this drain safety right here was full of water, and the trap was slowly draining, and it drained all the way over there to the sump pump. And anyway, long story short, I took the cap off, I cut it here, and I brushed out all the sediment, rust, and nasty stuff. And then when I went back, I put a vent here. It's just really helps out as far as the system draining. But again, brushed the trap, added a vent, and then I shortened it up. And this pipe down here was actually like on the concrete the whole way down. So I raised it up several inches to assist with draining a little bit better. Anyway, go outside. The capacitor is weak. It's a 70 by 5, and I'm getting like 64 by 3. I left it on there. I don't have that one on the truck. But we also need to come back and like clean the coils. The indoor coil was dirty, as well as the outdoor coil. So we'll come back. Today's Sunday. We're gonna come back maybe Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and get the capacitor changed, clean the coils, bring it up to speed, and this 7-year-old Goodman system will keep on going. Hey, if you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up down below, drop a comment, subscribe, and thank you so much. How can we help you today?